beautiful people. Hello, Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold, for those of you that are stopping by for the very first time. And we have a rather interesting episode today. It is Fumi's Red Carpet Fashion Police Wakanda Africa. Congratulations to Wakanda production. Congratulations to the celebrities that went over to Nigeria and really promote their film. You guys, I feel as if it's a first. I haven't seen where there's been a film premiere in America and then you go all the way to Nigeria, and I think you guys are going to a couple of other African countries. It was really nice to see Lupita and the cast actually in Nigeria, and I wanted to do this episode because it is unique to itself. This is just a sit back and look at literally everybody on the red carpet in Nigeria was fabulous. They embraced the theme and they walked that carpet. And I had to say to myself, you know what? Wakanda is what? Wakanda is Africa. So if Africa is not going to get it, who would? Then I said to myself, you know what? Upon reflection on the red carpet that Wakanda did, that I reviewed, and I'll put the link here below, they should have worn African designs. They should have worn African American designers. They should have worn African designers. If there ever was a time to support Black-owned brands, African-owned brands, it was this occasion. Having said that, salute for bringing Wakanda to Nigeria. Congratulations guys. I had to share this with you guys, with my African American sisters and brothers, with my African sisters and brothers. We're coming together through film, through fashion, and I can feel a shift. Wouldn't it be wonderful, you know, to go to Nigeria, go to Gambia, my mother's country also, and really just celebrate and share the artistry in film, in fashion. Social media is powerful. The internet has brought all of us closer. As a matter of fact, we're neighbors. So my darlings, thank you so very much for watching this. Don't forget to leave all of your comments below. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. I have super thanks. Give us some super thanks, and just really enjoy this lookbook. There was nothing to be said. I loved everything that the Nigerian celebrities did. There was a guy there who had like a white claw mask across his face. It was beautiful. Are we not beautiful though? Are we not powerful though? I love. All right, my darlings, I'll see you on the next one. I just had to bring this for you guys and share. Enjoy. Mwah. Love.